What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing. Maybe the trees will.
哎，我们到了Kusu Island。我们现在要做什么？拜拜。我们要去拜拜 ，Go。Kusu Island。Please explain， 为什么要来到Kusu Island拜拜？
你要问3岁的他，
你要问3岁的。
我回到我3岁呢，我再跟你讲吧。
好。
Singapore Island got so many temple, but must take the ferry come all the way here just for the temple here.
The Tape Kong Miao.
Yeah, the Tape Kong Miao.
It's the Tape Kong Miao.
大伯公庙。Tape Kong.
Tape Kong, 大伯公。
我家也有大伯公，要不要来我家拜？
What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart.
I cannot do that.
Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope.
Twix，我就拿了个 Twix。大概我们的 time check 是10点11，这是什么时间来的？11点20分，所以我们的船是12点半，对吗？Kelly 要找厕所，可是他们讲这里的 timing 是跟 Indonesia 一样，所以我们忘记 check 那个 ferry 是几点来。差点以防万一，我们12点半在那边看一下。好，去找个厕所吧。来 explore 看那个厕所会不会干净。好多山都变了。Oh my chance！Oh my！ 躲在厕所的中间。
然后很多苍蝇，
很多苍蝇的地方很多。Caterpillar、Millipillar 很多小的笔。你看那个门口也是一只。Oh my god！ 怎么办？
Sweetness could reach everyone. There'd be no wars.
Having your snack first.
And bread. One more?
One. Wah, pathetic. I think one more.
I don't think putting a second one will make it less pathetic.
Okay, less pathetic. Okay.
我们吃饱了。
满意。
特别难吗？
东西都拿了。什么还不会吗
I'm ready. I'm ready.
300.
Okay, we're going to take the ferry now.
To the ferry.
哦，来了。他吃到了。所以我们现在前往哪里
St. John Island.
我们去 St. John Island.
St. John.
Then 我们去那边
Lazarus.
Okay, so 觉得我们是有上对那个床，
你要上床，你要跟谁
船，
船
我们要上去楼上吗？
要不要上去？
好啊。
能上的话，想要上船，然后如果能上的话，对，某人在找我们的票。哦，找到了，刚好 Q 到歌的时候找到了。走呗，我们上天堂。如果有位的话。
One eternity later.
我们即将抵达 St. John Island， 对面就是新加坡。现在新加坡在我的左边，其实 St. John Island 也是新加坡。其实这些岛我都没有来过，你有来过？你有来过吗？你有来过吗？我3岁的时候，他只有3岁的时候去打飞工。打飞工，打飞工是什么？平安打飞工，我打伯公，大伯公庙，你差了一个字。大伯的庙，大伯庙，大伯庙。DJ 玉 ，Bring on DJ 玉。Do it again, do it again. Only appear once.
Nope.
Right, we'll see you at Lazarus Island. 找个地方，随便找一个小灯，因为太热了。我们要去游泳呢，我就问他要不要围马上进去那个水 ，to be inside the pristine blue water. That is not very pristine blue now, cause the sun is gone. Oh, still can see the pristine blue water. Woo!
这里有 jellyfish
有吗
？Just now the pavilion got warning. Box jellyfish.
Oh no, we better stay here. The box jellyfish sting very pain one eh.
That's why it says must.
Oh my god.
Take note.
Okay, so 我们这样就好，我们在那个 pristine blue water 里面，我们 just 到这边 like waist deep.
我们 pray.
Pray to who? I don't know. We pray to the sea god. There got no box jellyfish or any jellyfish.
你再进来一点，很凉。那个水上面温温，下面凉凉。
他回来的时候是凉凉的。好，我们现在在水里做什么？不知道。对，我们只是在那边来冲个凉还是什么？
我们没有 float， 我们没有 unicorn。
那你有你有 float 跟 unicorn 也是。
然后你就 at least 可以来
float 住是吗 ？In this pristine blue water that has box jellyfish.
Might have.
我们从那个海边回来 ，then they playing this song. And then suddenly 刮风。又是 sandwich， 刚才是 bread and luncheon meat， then we have bread and potato， now is bread and tuna。
Eat like 7 slices of bread today. Okay, now we are going back to St. John Island.
Go go go！
Go go go! I'm heading to the toilet now to shower.
Let's check out.
The toilet's condition here at St. John Island.
It's a lagoon.
Hopefully it's good since there's a lagoon. So hopefully like they clean it often.
Yeah.
But actually just now that one was clean lah, except that there's a lot of caterpillar, centipede, whatever on the floor.
上面的地方很多个鼻了、迷你鼻了，很多小的鼻了。Oh my god！ 怎么办？
But other than that, it was quite okay. There's no weird smell or whatever.
现在我们要爬楼梯上厕所。My goodness！ 厕所到了吗？好，过来。
哒哒！
结论是厕所很干净。
我们上船了，我练得出船。我们上船终于买到 Coke 船。This is not advertisement. This is not an ad. Bye, St. John.
I can't help but dream away, standing on a field with you and flowers. words everywhere.
Time to insert some deep captions.
How is that deep caption?
With the sunset behind, yet another day has passed.
There goes our lead.
Tell her. 我们回到了 Singapore Island. Was from Marina South Ferry is here. It is just opposite the entrance to the domestic ferries. Okay? Okay. 我们在买黑 tea. Oh yeah. Yeah. 我们买了什么？我们买1、2、3、4啊。我们在 MBS 等我们的黑 tea. Because the black tap got a queue, so must wait 30 to 45 minutes. 干嘛？什么东西买完了 ？Mango。Hey tea, hey tea, give me one tea. Let's go out. The burgers also very good.
Dreaming of you.
Okay, Zoe, what are you having?
Crispy chicken Caesar salad.
Kelly?
Wagyu beef salad. And she was
How's the chicken?
I haven't eaten yet.
What you
Chicken,
the
eh?
chicken? The chicken.
Oh, not bad.
You also eat Wagyu beef?
Yeah.
Having the old-fashioned burger. Woohoo! Because why not? And there's the destroyed milkshake. Okay. Try the beef.
Wow. Medium rare.
How you eat?
Not nice. No tomato.
I told her the tomato is sweet.
It's very sour.
She's doing a little jiggly dance.
Chicken is nice, man.
Yeah, I think we're all enjoying our food, so we should stop videoing.
Spread your love. What if your sweetness?
What's the closing? Are we all full? It's now 9:50. We have ended our trip, our island hopping trip. So if you're ever interested for island hopping trip, you should take leave on a weekday and take the first ferry at 10 AM. We did the to Kusu first, and then we went to St. John so we can spend more time at St. John and Lazarus Island. And we took the last ferry back at 5:30. We recommend that. Do we recommend that?
Yeah.
So till our next adventure, see you!